Guys, there we have a VIVO Y35, and today I will show you how you can remove a notification virus on this device. So notification virus looks like that, and I'm sure you will notice it when you will get this on your phone and install it by the accident with other app. So you can try to remove it by opening the app info on your web browser. So keep your finger on this icon and choose app info. Now go to the storage and cache and tap clear storage. Now clear all data. Read it and click OK. Now your web browser should be clear and without a notification virus. However, if this method didn't work for you, you can try to download some antivirus app, but remember to choose a trusted company like HardReset, FVG, Avast. I will show you it on the Avast, how you can scan your phone. Tap on Get Started. Next, skip, continue with free, continue as free, and just tap on Start Scan. Click Allow, give a permission, and go back. Now choose which scan you want to perform, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, and goodbye.